If you have determined through our troubleshooting video that your Lance Meat Tumbler photo eye needs to be replaced, and your replacement photo eye has arrived, it's time to get started. First, unplug the power on your Lance Meat Tumbler. With the enclosure panel removed, unscrew the yellow photo eye cord by turning the silver connector collar counterclockwise. Save the cable. The orange piece is the photo eye which needs to be replaced. Next, while holding the photo eye on the back of the enclosure, loosen the nut on the inside of the enclosure by turning it counterclockwise. Continue turning it until it is completely removed from the photo eye. Remove the photo eye through the front of the enclosure. Your new photo eye should have one black nut at the front of the photo eye very close to the end. Leave this in place. Insert the new photo eye through the hole on the front of the enclosure, ensuring the nut is flush with the housing panel. There are 2 dots on the photo eye. When inserting this into the enclosure, be sure the dots are stacked vertically. Do not use silicone when inserting the new photo eye. On the inside of the enclosure, screw the second black nut clockwise onto the photo eye until it is snug against the machine. Now double check the eyes on the front of the lens to ensure they are still vertical. Once it is properly placed, tighten the black nut on the front of the enclosure. Hand tighten the black nut on the inside of the enclosure. Do not use a tool or over-tighten the nut. Now it's time to reattach the photo cable. The cable has a step on the circle which needs to be aligned with the step on the photo eye. Press gently and then turn the connector collar clockwise. The light should turn on. You can test the photo eye by passing your hand over the photo eye on the front of the enclosure, blocking the reflector. This should cause the LED light to turn on. When your hand is removed, the light should turn on again. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our friendly service team is here to help. Thanks for watching.